Hey, so if you're looking to create a set of financial projections for an SBA loan, you need to make sure that your projections are reasonable. And a lot of times clients think that, and a lot of times small business owners think that projections, there's no right or wrong answer. And I'm here to tell you, at least for an SBA loan, there is a wrong answer. There may not be the perfect right answer, but your goal is to make sure that what you provide to the lender is not the wrong answer. And so I'm going to show you kind of three pillars and guardrails that we kind of use to try to triangulate around and kind of figure out what are reasonable financial projections. Okay, so the first thing is, are your projections in line with industry ratios? We want to make sure that your profit margins for your restaurant are similar to the restaurant industry, or your plumbing business is similar to the plumbing industry, right? You shouldn't have margins like Google if you are in the restaurant industry. Do the projections cash flow sufficiently? You need to make sure that you don't send the lender projections where you run out of cash. And the SBA has specific debt service coverage ratios that they want to see. A 1.25 debt service coverage ratio or above is what would be expected, so you need to make sure your projections demonstrate that. Then lastly, is your revenue and customer volume reasonable? You want to make sure that if you have 5 chairs in your salon, that the projections that you provide wouldn't actually, when you do the calculations, wouldn't be like a 10-chair salon at 100% capacity. Your lender's going to look at that and say, you'd never be able to generate this much revenue based on the size and capacity of your salon. So make sure that those revenue numbers and capacity numbers are reasonable. So we take an approach at Projection Hub where we kind of look at all 3 of these angles here and try to narrow in on what is a reasonable projection. We hope this is helpful for you as you're thinking about how to build out your projections. Reach out to us at support@projectionhub.com if we can be helpful in the process. All right, thanks.